Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Yes, I am also well. We are doing our online classes regularly. Today I am taking a class of class 8, class 9 and class 10. Your English second paper class in law I usually take. Today I am going to talk about an important topic of grammar, about degree. Before going to the discussion, I want to show you the learning outcome of degree. First I am showing you the learning outcome. After learning this topic, what will you be able to do? You will be able to know the definition of degree. You will be able to make new words. You will be able to change some sentences. So after completing our learning about degree, you will be able to know the definition of degree. You will be able to make new words. You will be able to change some sentences. Now I am going to the definition of degree. What is degree? Degree means comparison of adjective or adverb. We can compare adjective and adverb in degree. Degree is of three kinds. Degree is of three kinds. Degree is of three kinds. One is positive degree, two is comparative degree, and three is superlative degree. Three is superlative degree. Now I am going to define these three kinds of degree. First, I am going to give you the definition of positive degree, then comparative, and at last I will do the definition of superlative degree. Positive degree. When an adjective does not express any comparison, it is called positive degree. It is called positive degree, such as Mr. Jamil is a famous man. Famous is a positive degree here. The hare ran swiftly. Hare ran swiftly. Swiftly is a positive degree here. So dear student, I think you are able to know what is positive degree when an adjective does not express any comparison. That is, the positive degree person or thing express only its own quality. Only its own quality by the positive degree, and it is the positive degree when the person or thing only express his or its own quality. Now, comparative degree. Comparative degree. When an adjective is used to compare between two persons or things, it is called comparative degree. It is called comparative degree. When an adjective is used to compare between two persons or things, it is called comparative degree. Suppose Ruma is taller than Hena. Taller is comparative degree here. The hare ran more swiftly. More swiftly is comparative degree here. So dear students, I hope you can understand what is comparative degree. Comparative degree, when an adjective is used to compare between two things. Positive degree does not compare with anybody or anything, but comparative degree is compared between two things. Now, superlative degree. Now, superlative degree. What is superlative degree? When an adjective or adverb also is used to compare among many persons or things, it is called superlative degree. Superlative degree. In superlative degree, adjective is used for comparing among many persons or things. It is called superlative degree. Such as Helen is the tallest boy in the class. Here, tallest is the superlative degree. In this sentence, tallest is the superlative degree, and compared with the boys in the class, the number of total students are compared with Helen. Helen is the tallest boy in the class. Dear students, I hope you are able to know, you are able to understand what is degree, the classification of degree. There are three kinds of classification: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Then I gave definition of positive degree with example, comparative degree with example, and superlative degree with example. Now I am going to make some words, which is our second learning outcome. Which is our second learning outcome. Dear student, watch carefully. Tall is an adjective. We make it comparative degree, adding er, and make it superlative degree, adding est. Similarly, short, shorter, shortest, fine, finer, finest. Dear students, look at the words. These adjectives is of one syllable. These adjectives are of one syllable. If you find any adjective with one syllable, you can add er to make it comparative. You can add est to make it superlative. It is a rule. It is a rule. If you find any adjective of one syllable, you add er to make it comparative and est to make it superlative. Then I will talk about another rule. Look at the word big. I make it comparative, adding er also, but here is the difference. Biggest superlative degree est is added here to make it comparative and superlative degree, but where is the difference? The difference is gg, and here is also gg. Why is added another extra g? It is the question. If the adjective ends with a consonant, but if it has a single vowel, if it has a single vowel before the consonant will be double. It is the rule. If the adjective ends with a consonant and if it has a vowel before the consonant, we will make the consonant double to make it comparative, adding er, and superlative, adding est, and make the word double consonant will be double also here. But if the vowel is double, consonant will not be double here. Sweeter, look at the word. Consonant is single here, but here is double. Why? Because here is a single vowel, but here is double vowel. So consonant will not be double. Here is double only for single vowel. Sweeter and sweetest and sweetest. I think you also understand the rule here, and then I will talk about another rule. Suppose easy. Suppose easy. Look at the word here. The adjective ends with y. The adjective ends with y. If you find this, you will make it comparative, adding IER in place of y. In place of y, you will add IER to make it comparative, and EST in place of y to make it superlative. To make it superlative. So, dear student, you can understand, if the adjective ends with y, you will make it comparative by adding IER in place of y, and make it superlative adding IEST in place of y. Happy, like this. Heavier, heaviest. Now I am showing another rule. If the adjective is of 2 or more syllable, if the adjective is of 2 or more syllable, suppose active, you will make it comparative adding more. More active, most active. If the adjective is of 2 or more syllable, beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. So, dear students, I have already shown you to make new words. I am talking about 4 rules how you will make comparative form and superlative form. If it is 1 syllable, you will add ER and EST, and if the adjective ends with y, you will add IER and IST to make it comparative and superlative, and if the adjective is of 2 or more syllable, you will add more or most to make it comparative and superlative. Now I am going to show you the changing rules of positive, comparative and superlative degree. Dear students, I am showing you the changing rules of positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. Comparative degree starts with no other plus noun, verb, as plus as, positive degree as, and other word, and other word. Such as no other boy is as tall as Hassan. No other boy is as tall as Hassan. Comparative degree, subject, verb, comparative degree, you will use here, then any other, and other word, and other word. Hassan is taller than any other boy. Now superlative degree. Similarly, comparative degree, it also starts with subject and verb. Subject plus verb. Then the is used because before superlative degree you must use the. Then superlative degree and then other word and then other word. What is the example? What will be the example? Hassan is the tallest boy. Hassan is the tallest boy. So I am showing you the one rule of changing from positive degree to comparative degree or from superlative degree. This is vice versa. This rule is vice versa. No other plus noun plus verb plus as plus positive degree plus as plus other word. Example, no other boy is as tall as Hassan. Comparative degree, subject, verb, comparative degree, then any other extra word will be used here, and then plus other word. The example is, I am showing the same sentence for your better understanding. Hassan is taller than any other boy. Then superlative degree, subject, verb, the superlative degree and other word. Hassan is the tallest boy. Hassan is the tallest boy. Then I am showing the other rule. I am showing other rule. Very few. I am cleaning it. Then I will show the second rule. This rule starts with very few. Very few plus noun. Here is also noun, but difference is plural. Noun will be plural here. Then verb, then as, then positive degree, then as plus other word. Similar and other word. Very few metals are, noun is plural, similarly verb is plural, are as costly as gold. Now I am showing the rules of comparative degree. Subject plus verb plus comparative degree, then most other. In our previous rule, here then any other is used, but here then most other is used. Then most other and then other word. Then other word. What will be the example? First, subject, gold is costlier. Gold is costlier than most other metals. Most other metals. In this rule, superlative degree will be like this: subject, verb, one of the plus superlative degree, and then other word, The example is Gold is one of the costliest, one of the costliest metals. So dear students, the second rule is, look at it again. It starts positive degree starts very few, then noun will be plural here, then verb as positive degree, PD positive degree, as another word. Example is, very few metals are as costly as gold. The comparative degree, subject plus verb plus comparative degree, then most other and other word. Gold is costlier than most other metals. Subject superlative degree, subject verb one of the plus superlative degree plus other word. Gold is one of the costliest metals. These rules are of vice versa. I have already told you. We have another rule, and this is for only positive and comparative. No superlative degree is here in this rule. You will need to practice more and more at home to clear this understanding. Subject plus verb plus as plus positive degree plus as plus noun. He is as tall as his brother. He is as tall as his brother. Subject, verb, as, positive degree, as, and the noun, his brother. Comparative degree, look, students, look at, in this rule, positive or comparative, any sentence will be negative. If the positive degree is affirmative, you will make the comparative degree negative. If the positive degree is negative, you will have to make the comparative degree affirmative. Here the positive degree is affirmative, so we will make the comparative degree negative. Subject, verb, not, comparative degree, then first subject here, then subject. We will call it first and we will call it second. The second noun will be the second subject, and to make it comparative we will write it first. His brother is not taller, than he. Comparative degree will be negative. I have already told you, if the positive degree is negative, you will make the comparative degree affirmative. If the sentence is like this, he is not as tall as his brother. Look at this. This is negative. You will make the comparative degree affirmative. Similarly, rules is similarly, his brother is taller than he. His brother is taller than he. Because the positive degree is negative here. So you will make the comparative degree affirmative. These are rules. If you practice at home, you will be able to change the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree and vice versa. What will you need at home? You will need to practice more and more at home to make it easy for you and do it easily. If you have any problem, if you face any problem at home, you can call me. I have given you the number here. You will call me, and I will try to make it clear for this. And this facility is only for the students of our schools only. So dear students, today I am finishing here. Hope you will be fine at home. Don't go outside. Be safe. Allah Hafiz.